if they watch me live, I do with one guy now. If they watch me, I do with my po. Yo, father. All right, my brother. If you use po to drink Gary.
No, it's not possible. I can't use po to drink Gary.
You don't use this po to drink Gary.
At all.
Why?
Because this one is po now. If I use and they drink Gary, I will be feeling maybe I'm eating shit.
All right, yeah. If you use po to drink Gary.
I feel use I drink Gary now.
New one.
No, I feel use I drink Gary.
You sure?
I sure.
You know the shake.
I know the same.
Still on the matter, Oga, for all of you.
I no fit you.
You no fit.
I no fit. I no fit to hire. I no fit to hire. No. I dey fear no.
Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
If it's po, this po now.
I no fit use am.
Na new one no.
I no fit use am.
Why?
Nothing.
Na new one
No
now.
be plate, na no fit use am.
No, you no fit use am take drink Gary.
I no fit use am.
Oh,
take
put
drink.
rice inside, put stew inside.
Nothing.
Chop
My pikin
dey go.
don answer you sef.
My
pikin dey
Your
answer
pikin
you.
the answer. So you no fit abi.
I no fit.
Salah.
Wazobia le.
It's Salah. How far how you dey?
No wahala, my brother.
That is now.
We dey do with thank God.
If you use po, take new one I be the same. Use that take shop rice.
I don't
They'll
go
put
for.
rice, put meat.
God forbid.
Why?
Po.
Na
Now
new one, na new one.
Now for shit, oga.
No, not for shit. Na poo.
Okay. Now for poo.
You know, you go fit use am.
I go use them. Put anything, I go use that. Nothing they happen.
Stew, rice.
You sure if you put something here, I go begin to eat them. Nothing they happen.
Nothing dey happen, abi. I believe you that. Madam, good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, ma. You don't hear our question.
I no gbọ́ nǹkan kan o.
You go feel na new one be this, na new one. Na new one, just buy am.
Mi ò gbọ́ nǹkan kan, mi ò gbọ́ nǹkan
You know
kan.
this thing, abi?
Po, I no hear anything.
Na new one be this.
New one
You
ni.
just buy am now. But if they put stew rice inside, if you chop am.
No.
Why?
Na po now. Na po.
Oga, you no fit.
I fit now this one.
Use am, abi?
Yes. I fit use am because this one a new one. Yes.
So if you use am.
I use a drink Gary. Those are
Drink garri,
yes.
carry do everything.
Yes.
Confirm
Confirm and test.
Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How you doing?
I'm good and you?
You sure?
I'm
But
good.
the way you dey sit down, be like say you be like who dey. I don't wanna wait in vain.
You're funny.
How far you dey?
I'm cool.
Na new one I just buy am.
Okay.
You like am?
It's fine.
Na fine one.
Yeah.
So if I put rice and stew on top inside,
Why not? If it's a new one, I'll use
you
it.
chop am.
Yeah.
Well. You sit
Of
down
course
well,
now. Yeah, but I'm not gonna eat it in the public, you know,
Yeah, why you no eat at public?
because people might not know I just bought it.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
You're right. Still on the matter, straight chance on Wazobia. You see, see one fine girl, go outside. Hey, how you dey? Wazobia TV.
Sorry.
Not to relax. Enter. The thing no dey smell now. How should be your own? The mic dey smell.
No.
Do well now, bad for you. Now you want for my hand again. Confirm babe like you. I see the fine girl. You dey inside your house now. Somebody give you birthday gift as this one. You like her?
No.
Why do you like it?
I
No,
don't
na
like
new one now.
I don't want.
Let me say, if I ask you the next question, I will allow. You know, if you put rice and stew inside.
God forbid. I don't want.
You know, fit.
No.
Now find something.
No, I'm not
Do something
interested.
that
No, I don't want that. I don't want.
So you dey look Paul and say na evil spirit.
I don't want. Thank you. Please, thank you.
All right, if you just watch us live, so the street yarn from Wazobia TV, make you not touch you there. My name is MC Shaggi, still on the matter. Channel 195, make you not touch you there. You feel them? Pull. Now new one, you feel them?
Why? I fit use am now.
Feel them so Gary.
Anything.
Use am
So
put
far I
rice.
sure say na new
Na
one.
new
I
one.
fit take am chop
You feel
anything.
them chop anything?
Yes now.
Farm guy, bros, you too much. Hey, you
That one dey pain me.
Yeah, sorry. Bros, you feel them?
I don't get that time, I beg. I don't use them.
Why don't you use them? No, Nigerians, we're too funny. Auntie, if you use them. Still on the matter, straight chance. Most of them say they don't use them. Why some people say they go use them? Well, back there. Madam, good afternoon. Madam, good afternoon. Excuse me. Madam, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Look at that. Mama. Tuale. Allah. Tuale. Mama. Tuale. Allah. Mama, how far are you there?
I'm fine.
I don't like the way you said to me, I get finished. Their father go punish devil. You know go better for devil with his career. Allah.
Now who you the cause now?
No, I dey cause devil.
Who?
Devil.
Where
He
you
dey mad. You don't know where devil dey?
I don't know am. Nothing
Okay.
concern me.
Mama, you see na po. Na new one just buy am.
What you want to take?
You know good.
You good now. What you want to take?
I want put rice. If you put rice and stew inside the fish and chop am.
Inside po.
You know the chop am.
I don't be go for bid.
No, na new one na.
I will never use this thing to eat. I be
Look at that. Yeah, be in the mood, be in the mood, be in the mood. There will be happiness every day. Forget sorrow.
I'm
forget
happy
stress.
now.
Hey, I'm not sure that you're happy. Smile, give me a smile. Wazobia TV is watching you live.
Yes, so
I tell you.
I'm happy. I'm very, very happy.
You're happy?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What be this?
It's a cup.
Na po, na po.
Oh, okay.
Po. If you use
To do
put
what?
rice, stew.
No,
inside.
I can't use it. What?
Why? Na new one, na nothing wrong.
No, I don't want.
Why? No fit use am. Look at that. Look at that. Oga, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. This man is very serious. This man, he is serious. He dey focus. He dey go Nigeria. He dey go somewhere. Una, good afternoon. Hey, I go eat that chop now. Nothing there. Hey. Madam, good afternoon.
Afternoon. To take waiting. How you go take am do poo na? No, you take am dey poo.
Na toilet na. Na po na. But na new one, na new one.
Na pikin get am.
Eh, enough na new one.
Na pikin dey use am.
I so much love Wazobia.
You sure?
I so much love Wazobia.
Okay. All right, we dey for street now. I get one question. What would they ask?
Okay.
See what you demand.
This one na for na for baby na.
Yeah, but as e dey like this, na new one.
So what we go do now?
Let people rice inside now. Put stew inside. You chop am now.
I don't understand though. Me? No, I don't fit
You
now.
don't
I don't fit.
Na new one.
No, you know they clean now. I go talk
The thing dey clean, na new one. I just buy am. Buy am.
Hey, I don't understand this one.
Welcome,
How you dey
sir.
now?
Fine, sir.
You know what be this?
Yes.
What be this?
This thing now.
Na po.
Po.
Po. Na new one o.
Yes.
I just buy am now.
I know.
You feel put rice.
No.
Why?
Not rice. It's for shit.
No.
Wetin happen?
Na new one. You no fit put rice.
No. How can I put rice inside po?
Na new
E
one.
no
na
pure
new
na.
one.
E no meal.
Na new one.
No.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And what be this?
Na po
Na
now.
po. For pupu abi?
For pupu, yes.
Pupu. But na new one be this one.
Why you gone dirty like this?
Na new one na dust.
Okay, na new one, na
new
dust.
one. I
Okay.
just buy am across the road now.
Okay.
You fit put rice inside. put
Rice?
stew inside.
No,
You chop am.
it's possible. It's not possible.
It's,
You know, because you use that shit. Very dirty. You know,
Don't call her. Don't let them see her for my TV.
No.
Don't call that name again.
Okay.
You understand me? You know that kind of thing. But nothing bad. Na new one. Put garri inside. Put sugar inside. So can put groundnut. Hello.
Yeah.
Nothing there now.
Impossible.
Why is it impossible? Allah, Allah. Auntie, good afternoon.
Absolutely.
Wazobia TV.
I don't know about anything about Wazobia.
I dey hear you now. I dey greet you.
Yes,
Yeah,
I'm
Put
greeting
down, you're
him.
moving with a moving train. Why are you moving like Keke Nape?
I say I'm greeting them.
You are moving like Keke Nape.
No, I'm not moving like a canopy.
Oh, which one you want to move like? I want to move like V-Boot.
Yes,
oh
yes.
My God. Yeah, wait, just wait, man, ask you a question. Have fun. I hope you are happy.
Yes.
I can see you are happy. Give me a smile. Father! Oh, yeah, wait now.
Please,
see,
I'm there in the hurry, please.
I know you are there in the hurry.
Yeah.
Please, just wait. Don't be there in the hurry first. See what happen, eh? You know this thing, Abi?
Yes.
Napu, Abi?
Yes.
It clean or not clean one?
Yes,
I
I
just
know.
buy it now.
Yes.
If you put rice, stew inside.
No.
You go eat am now.
No.
You not fit?
No.
It's not bad now.
No.
All right, yeah, still at the matter. Street Chance from Wazobia TV, making not touch you there. My name remains MC Shaggi, Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Street Chance, channel 195. Start time. If you use them, I know if you use them. Psychologically, no use them. But I've been saying Aruba, new one, if you use them. Alpha, bros, wait now. Now just small, 5. Alpha, if you use them.
Why not?
If you use them.
Why not?
No, why if you use them?
Why I not go use them? Oh yeah, nah.
Guy, you don't use them.
I don't use them.
Why no feel? Why they pursue an evil spirit when they worry you? Good afternoon.
Excuse me.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. This is your Wazobia TV. Wazobia TV. All right, good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon. Please.
I know you're in a hurry. Just 5 minutes. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Hope you're okay.
Yes.
You're lively.
Yes.
You're happy.
Yes.
Madam, now poor be this.
I'm poor now.
Now new one, just buy them.
What happened?
What's in there now? The fees are poor rice since I put you. The fish chopper.
I don't feel chopper more.
Why you no fish chopper?
Inside poor. Come on, leave me alone, John.
Eh?
Inside poor, I can't.
Inside poor. Yeah. Say she no fit. Still on the matter, Street Chance. God bless you. How far now? Good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
All right.
See, they hear a lot of voice. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You listen to Wazobia now.
Yeah.
Father. God punish you.
Don't punish them.
Madam, as you do now, this poor now. Now new one we just buy them. If you use them to chop rice stew.
Why not? So far as this dirty no there.
No, na clean one, and new one just buy.
I go use them now.
Go use them.
Why not?
You sure?
I'm sure.
This woman eye not clear. Yes, still on the matter. Street Chance from Wazobia TV, making not touch that. My name is MC Shaggi. I tell you before, that's why I take the rapper up. That's why I the rapper up. Boom. To drink, eat. Not good though. Not good. Psychologically, so you know they're comfortable. But if you don't mind, if you close your eyes, send a new one. If you use that. But you're not good now. Till tomorrow again. MC Shaggi, channel 195. Start time.